This voiceover was brought to you by all the people that say they have a problem with my fucking swearing. Go fuck yourselves, guys. Here we are, sanding the fucking wall down. I patched this up. I'm getting this ready for some fucking paint here so that we can make this stop looking like shit. I'm getting rid of this line faster than Hunter Biden. Yeah, that's right. Fucking right. Do not give a flying fuck if you care about my language. We're gonna vacuum this up and make it all nice and clean. All as pretty as I can to put this next fucking coat on here. Yeah, you know, it looks like ass, but who the fuck cares? Because it's not your wall, it's my wall. And this is literally the first time I've ever done drywalling in my fucking life. So, you know what? I don't care. The real fucking problem is that I don't think I have any fucking paint to match this goddamn color. So I'll have to figure that one out. Maybe I'll have to get in touch with Sherwin-Williams and have them mix me up a small fucking batch of that shit so that I can make this all match up, and hopefully they ship that shit because I don't have a truck. It's looking all right here, you know. I'm gonna sand that shit down and make it all fucking level with itself so it doesn't look like ass here. There we go. That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. A little bit of elbow grease. That's right. Am I dropping enough F-bombs here for you fucks in the back? I'm just making sure. Can everybody fucking hear me? Here we go again with the Hunter Biden line pulling. Yeah, buddy. Oh, God, you know, it just never fucking ends. And then we just give it a quick coat of primer here. I can't even talk. A quick coat of primer here. And hopefully make it look a little bit fucking better. But you know what? It is my first fucking job ever doing drywall. So it's not going to be perfect. And do I give a shit? No, I do not. Just like the fucking language, I do not care. If you guys are that fucking sensitive to where the word fuck bothers you, go fuck yourself, all right? In the eternal words of Elon Musk, go fuck yourself. There we go. It's looking great, in my opinion. Yeah, sure, I need to learn how to feather out the edges a little bit better, but what the fuck, you know what? It is my first drywalling experience, and I'm calling it a win. So, go fuck yourselves, everyone.